sparks are flying as students test their welding skills. Welding students from Battery Creek and May River High Schools took part in several different types of American Welding Society certification exams.
We're doing our AWS certifications, which is a national certification for welding pretty much based off of the different things for stick, MIG, or TIG. Some job companies require it, but the ones that don't, having it overall just looks very well on you. It looks like you're well experienced and you know what you're doing.
A representative from Arc Lab's welding school was administering the exams and will be taking the welds to test them.
We're going to take them back if they pass the visual, which means they just look consistently good, not erratic, and no excessive undercut or anything. We'll take them back and we'll do the appropriate brake test or bend test for them.
The students have been practicing hard for the national certification exams.
I'm doing TIG, so it's more of good penetration. You want completely through both sides of the metal, depending on if you're doing a T-joint or flat. Really just depends on your heat control.
The easy part is all you have to do is pretty much one thing. But the difficult part is watching that puddle, because that puddle sometimes it'll act funny and it'll start riding a different way than it's supposed to, or it'll eat away the plate. So the biggest thing for welding is just looking at that puddle and learning what the puddle's doing. The puddle is the metal that you're putting down to fuse it together. So you just want to look at the puddle and make sure that it's fusing to both plates and it's in the middle perfectly.
The students know these certifications will help them have a bright future in the industry.
I like knowing the fact that I can say, yeah, I built that. And it pays really well. There's a lot of welders in need right now, so they're paying a little more than normal, but I like the fact that I can build something and be like, yeah, I did that. I
like the thrill, the excitement. Every time that, you put a weld down, it looks either, if it's bad, it looks bad, it's all right, you can always go and do it again. If it's good, then you get that just, wow, I did something decent.
The students hope to have the results from the certification exams by the end of the school year. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.